I hope you receive this mail very soon because this new Notion AI is on steroids. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam and recently Notion announced the AI feature that they will be rolling out soon. It can help us do a lot of things in the Notion, so let's head to the app and try it ourselves. Here we are greeted with this message: you are invited to try Notion AI for writing and editing. Write faster, let AI handle your first draft. A creative partner, AI summarize, to-dos, updated from your page content. Anyways, let's turn it on. Let's create a new fresh page. Something that wasn't before was this thing. Start writing with AI. Once we click on that, we get all these options to choose from. We can brainstorm an idea, a blog post, an outline, social media post, and so on. So let's create a blog post about Google versus Bing, let's say. Like Chat GPT, it generates AI response to our command, and you will find the answers are quite similar to Chat GPT, and that's because they are using Chat GPT's AI to make it work. However, I find Notion to be more user-friendly and we get more options to play with. As you can see, here we have the response generated and we can either select done, continue writing, try again, or we can even ask it to make it longer. That will regenerate the whole response, but longer. Now, if we press to continue writing, it will keep on adding more content. We can also add a heading and ask it to write about it. Let's say cost. Let's click continue. So that's how it works for a blog post. Now let's try a pros and cons list for let's say Wix.com. And this video is not sponsored by Wix. However, if you don't know, then it's a website building platform, something I've used to make websites. If you want to try, then you can do so from the affiliate link down below in the description. Anyways, our list is ready and we can see all the pros and cons of the platform, like easy to use website builder, and for the cons it has generated this response. Now there are tons of things you can try with this AI. You can create a draft of things you are working on. You will get a starting point and then you can just edit it according to your needs. And you don't have to just pick from these options. You can use AI to draft anything you like. Just type like a chatty video script for YouTube, or you can ask it to create a table comparing diesel versus electric car engine. Or you can even ask it to write a freaking code. Yeah, you can do it. However, now let's move to the second part of the story, and that is editing and reviewing. And believe me, these are going to be extremely useful in your life. I'll open up my existing script real quick and let's select this paragraph right here. As soon as I do that, this option will appear on the screen. Ask AI. When I click on that, we get to see all these exciting features on the screen. We can improve writing. Let's try that out. As you can see, it is now more precise and to the point. My bad writing. Other than that, we have options like fix spelling and grammar, make it longer, shorter, use simpler language. We can also change the tone. Wow, that's incredible. Let's keep going. Summarize, translate this to other languages as well. Then we can also ask AI to explain this or find action items that will create pointers for us. So lots of exciting things are happening with this AI, though it will take time to become a more polished product. Right now there are certain things like sometimes it doesn't make sense of what it wrote and sometimes provides unsatisfactory results similar to ChatGPT. But mind you, this is the alpha version. Think about the final version of Notion AI. There's high chance that they will reserve it for their paid customers. As I was making this video, they announced their paid plans and this is what it looks like. It's a $10 per month per member, and if you are on annual billing, then it's $8 per month per member, which is not a bad deal, and you can use it as many times as you like. Now, this is served as an add-on. You can get this for any of your Notion's paid plans and even if you are on the free plan, which is awesome. If you compare that with Chat GPT Plus, which is $20 per month, and Jasper, which starts from $49 per month, then Notion AI seems to be a pretty good deal. Now, if you want to try it out, then you can do so from the description below. That's been it for today. Hope you guys found this video helpful. You can watch my latest video from here. And if you are looking for a good note-taking app, you can watch this video right here. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.